Start. Writ petition number 76 of 2016 was filed for declaring right to sexuality, right to sexual autonomy, and right to choice of a sexual partner to be part of the right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, and further to declare Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code to be unconstitutional. Stop. When the said writ petition was listed before a three-judge bench on 8/1/2018, the court referred to a two-judge bench decision rendered in Suresh Kaushal, wherein this court had overturned the decision rendered by the division bench of the Delhi High Court in Naz Foundation. Stop. It was submitted by Mr. Arvind Datar, learned senior counsel, appearing for the writ petitioners on the said occasion, that the two-judge bench in Suresh Kaushal had been guided by social morality, leaning on majoritarian perception, whereas the issue in actually needed to be debated upon in the backdrop of constitutional morality. Para. A contention was also advanced that the interpretation placed in Suresh Kaushal upon Article 21 of the Constitution is extremely narrow, and in fact the court has been basically guided by Article 14 of the Constitution. Stop. Reliance was placed on the pronouncement in Nalsa case, wherein this court had emphasized on gender identity and sexual orientation. Stop. Attention of this court was also invited to a 9-judge bench decision in K.S. Swamy and another versus State of India and others, wherein the majority, speaking through Chandrachud J, has opined that sexual orientation is an essential component of rights guaranteed under the Constitution, which are not formulated on majoritarian favor or acceptance. Call J, in his concurring opinion, referred to the decision in Mosley versus News Group Newspapers Limited to highlight that the emphasis for individuals' freedom to conduct his sex life and personal relationships as he wishes, subject to the permitted exceptions, contravenes public interest. Stop. The further submission that was advanced by Mr. Datar was that privacy of the individual having been put on such a high pedestal, and sexual orientation having been emphasized in the Nalsa case, Section 377 IPC cannot be construed as a reasonable restriction, as that would have the potentiality to destroy the individual autonomy and sexual orientation. Stop. It is an accepted principle of interpretation that a provision does not become unconstitutional merely because of abuse. Stop.